peeps, welcome back to It's Me, Mariska. I'm Mariska. This is my mom and Cherokee right here.
Hi. So today, it's been a while since we've made a slime video.
Yeah.
And we decided that we are going to do what kind of slime?
Glow in the dark slime.
So, Mariska already pre-chose the color she wanted, which was
Yellow.
And I'm going to take the pink. And all we needed was, in the ingredient, we found other recipes we've made slime with other stuff before, but contact solution and baking soda. So we're going to give this a try and see how it works with this.
Okay.
So,
open first.
we're also going to give it a test out and see if it glows in the dark afterwards. So, Mariska, you got an awful big spoon, but that's all right. We'll just
couldn't find the little ones.
The baking soda. I'm not going to use that much baking soda. That's a huge spoon. So, I think that's good.
This isn't working.
All right, well, here, put your baking soda in. And now, I'm adding in the activator to mine. Well, ring has to come off a minute. Not so much activator. Usually I use whatever we have, like the contact solution or the borax.
Aha! Mine's starting to turn out a little bit.
She's getting slime, I'm not. I'm getting... Did you put the baking soda in it?
Yeah.
Now it's starting to... Now we're getting somewhere. And we're not afraid, as you can see, to just go for it and stick our hands inside. Of course, this is not like it's slime. You just don't want it real sticky.
My hand is like covered. This reminds me of the stuff like in the upside down world from like.
And it reminds me of when Mariska brings me slime. Mom, my slime is broke. When she was little. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Oh, no. Oh, God. That was a bad idea. I need more activator.
I need more activator, too.
That was not...
that was not very bright of
maybe
us.
not. Maybe, wait. Maybe not. Maybe not. See, I like my slime slimy, but I don't like it sticky, but I don't like it like hard as like anything either, like rubber. I like it where you can, there we go.
No!
Here we go.
Can't get it
I
now.
think mine's gonna be good, so.
You add a little more baking soda to my hand, please. Just a little bit.
You don't need any more baking soda, just keep doing it.
A little bit. Because it won't come off my hands without a fight.
Baking soda doesn't take it off. Well, I can tell you one thing.
Sticky.
It passes the stretchy test.
Oh, yeah.
So it passes the slime stretchiness.
Can't get it off now. That's the bad thing.
Just watch my ring here, please.
Yeah. And yes, that's Cherokee playing with a water bottle. That is too.
Now I have a wooden coffee table, so we're gonna see if it, like an actual handmade, got some bubble to it.
There we go.
Oop.
There we go. There we go. Ah! almost dropped it. I almost dropped it. Voila.
I know it passes the clicky. Oh yeah.
Put that in the lap. The rest
Take
of
that
it we
baking
can
soda
just
down out
use
of the
for
way.
later.
Bowl
I
down out
can
of the
use
way.
these for crafts or something.
Cherokee? No.
I suggest do not leave it on a wooden table for too long. Yes.
I forget how to do the bubbles.
No, you don't do that.
Well, it does swirl. You can hear all the whoa, yuck. Not the best smelling slime ever. But we're going to make it close up so you can see it. And then we're going to turn off the light. And we're going to see if it actually glows in the dark.
I think it gotta be big.
So, here's my slime.
Here's mine. My lovely hands are in the way.
You can definitely see that it passes
No!
the squishy. How about yours?
Mine works.
Okay, ready for the light?
Yes.
I just forget how to make the slime bubble. It's been so long since we made slime.
Don't forget
Don't forget to like, subscribe, share, hit that bell.
And I will see you next time. Well,
Bye.
I'm joking. I wasn't going to do that.
I'm loving this. I'm having so much fun. I know. I'm having too much fun.